Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we have our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. I know I said I was canceling, but I saw something really good in last month's bag that I didn't get, so I was like, maybe I canceled too soon. But I'm sure I'm gonna regret that decision because, well, I have bad luck. So this is for the month of September. I'm sure as usual, yep. They have given us a nonsensical card that has no information that will help us with anything in this bag. The first thing in here is from, Laura Geller. This is the Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water. So it's for priming, setting, and refreshing. I don't see anything right off the bat in the ingredient list that is offensive. My biggest beef with this, and with a lot of subscription, well, I guess mostly Ipsy, they used to tell you what's in here and what it was for and how to use it and blah, 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 and how much it was worth. Now they don't. Now, obviously you can just go to the website and look it up or just Google it, but for video purposes, that was very helpful. Now they just give you a nonsensical card that makes no difference. Next is a beauty blender. That's pretty cool. I don't love beauty blenders anymore. I think the e.l.f. sponge, the Wet n Wild sponge, the new Rare Beauty sponge, the Kimchi beauty sponges are much better, in my opinion. I've found this, since using those, to be much too dense for my liking. Beauty blenders, beauty sponges are a very, very personal thing, and I don't love these anymore. So I'm gonna save this for a giveaway because I know a ton of people do still love them. So, but still, this is a great thing to get in a bag because it's expensive and worth it. Oh, and this is the bag, which I actually do like this kind of bag. I mean, it's a little bit better than like the makeup bag you usually get. The next is from Avant, and this is the Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. Smooth a small amount in gentle circular motions onto skin in the morning and evening after cleansing, toning, and exfoliating. Hydrolyzed collagen, okay, whatever. It's for age radiance, it's a serum, and you get an ounce, okay? Doesn't tell you what it's for or what it does, so. The next thing in here is an eye cream from Pure Heals. Oh no, sorry, it's the Pure Heals by Nature Village, and it's the Centella 80 eye cream. I'm pretty sure this is a K-beauty brand. You get an ounce and 80% centella extract, adenosine. This powerful eye cream effectively helps hydrate, lift, firm, and plump fine line areas around the eye. Also niacinamide to help brighten dark circles and reduce puffiness. Cool. Whenever I get an eye cream, the first thing I look for is one of the bad alcohols. It's not a small list. It's not a huge list, but it's not a small one. But I don't see any alcohol right off the bat, so that's exciting. So I do love a good eye cream. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't even count the amount of times we've fucking gotten this in our bags or boxes or whatever. Subscription boxes, any of them. BoxyCharm, Ipsy. This is going right into a giveaway. This is a really good product, but I have like 3 of these that I still haven't even touched. I don't need another one. It's good, but I'm putting it in a giveaway. So maybe if you don't have one, you'll be lucky enough to win it. Yay. Okay, and that's what was in here. This wasn't bad. It was very skincare heavy. Let's see how much it was worth. Put it on the screen. If you didn't see my last video, I'm no longer doing Battle of the Boxes between Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Now I'm going to be doing BoxyCharm versus BoxyCharm, but I'm going to be doing BoxyCharm PR, which is what I usually get, versus BoxyCharm that I pay for. That is going to be my new Battle of the Boxes. Now, it's an experiment, honestly, because it's something that I technically could be kicked off my PR for. And if that's the case, that's fine. If that ends up happening, then I'll resort back to doing Battle of the Boxes, but I'll do Battle of the Boxes between BoxyCharm that I buy versus Ipsy that I buy. We're just gonna wait and see what happens, but unfortunately, because I'm doing PR versus BoxyCharm that I buy, that video will not be out now till later in the month because when you buy BoxyCharm yourself, it doesn't come until later in the fucking month. So stay tuned for that. But this wasn't a bad bag. I just wish there was more makeup in it. I keep missing the whole like pick your products for Ipsy. I missed like probably for the last like 4 months I've missed it. I don't know if they stopped doing it or they just stopped alerting you because I haven't been getting alerts for it like I used to. So has this been happening to anybody else? I mean, let me know. I mean, it's not the biggest of deals, but I would like the chance to choose something, but like I said, I always miss it. Anyway, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching. What did you get in your Ipsy this month? Was it good? Was it bad? Have you canceled? I'm not back at canceling yet. I'm gonna wait and see what happens next month. This was okay. Stay tuned for my Battle of the Boxes. It should be up by the end of the month. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.